Welcome back to Trading Hour. The stock of the moment is Alembic Pharma. So just pull up that name for you, 9% higher now. I mean, it's not seen top honors this year, to be honest. It's down almost 20% for the year, but today it's making a big comeback. That's because it's got a nod for a pain drug, a pain injection, which has a market size of almost $60 million. So for today, Alembic Pharma is one of the stocks of the moment. We'll get more on that in a bit. But in the meantime, a quick technical check from Himanshu Gupta of Globe Capital, who joins in. Himanshu, welcome to the show. It was a great day to buy the dip, and that's pretty much what's happened through the course of the day so far. But what do you see as the trend for the rest of the trading day, and what are the stocks that you'd look at?
Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for having me here. Well, absolutely, it's heartening to see the kind of resilience Indian markets have been showing. I mean, the immediate area of support, 18,000, even that cannot be breached after a big volatile session on the Wall Street that we saw yesterday. And from that 18,000 lows, we have seen a very good recovery and, more importantly, a broad-based buying into the markets today. Second more good observation here is that Nifty Bank and the financials, which have been dragging and kind of not participating so far in the markets, have actually led from the front today and actually managed to outperform after a short breather of past few days. So I think the setup is quite good, and I think the best is to buy dip on this market. If you talk about the ranges and the levels on Nifty, I think 18,000 remains the first very good area of support. That's a very short-term view. And as long as we are above that level, nothing to worry about. Just buy the dips towards that level. Keep a stop loss below 17,950. On the upside, I think 18,200 followed by 18,350 are the two very short-term targets that we are working upon. But if you have to take a slightly bigger view, I think 17,800 should be a positional stop loss. And as long as we are holding above that level, I think it should be every dip should be used as a buying opportunity. Now, more importantly, a bigger strength is coming from the financials and the Nifty Bank, as I just pointed out. And I'll be very closely looking for a level of 41,500 on Nifty Bank to be taken out. And as soon as that's taken out, I would expect Nifty Bank to rally at least 2,000 points, and 43,500 are the immediate short-term targets I am working upon once a breakout above 41,500 is seen. So the trend looks positive, and I think maybe for the next few days, it's time to participate into the small caps and the mid caps, which have been laggard over past few weeks, and we might see buying coming in those sectors also.
We've already seen buying in the broader markets. Himanshu, morning. What about individual stocks?
Good morning. Well, on an individual side, I think State Bank of India is looking good. I think that stock is looking strong enough to test that 600, 610 mark in the near term. So SBI can be bought with a stop loss below 574, target 600, 605 from a 1 to 2 days perspective. Second one is a buy on Aditya Birla Capital. That stock is also showing a good strength, and I think on the verge of a very strong breakout on the technical charts. Derivative positioning is also looking strong to me. So AB Capital is a buyer on current levels, a stop loss below 116, and targets of 126 and 130 can be placed here. And finally, a cash segment stock, that's NLC, formerly known as Liveni Lignite. That stock, I think, is looking quite interesting to me. And on the long-term charts, it's on the verge of a very, very big breakout. Stock is trading close to 81.5 as of now. Would like to place a stop loss below 77 on a closing basis. On the upside, the first target to begin with would be 90 odd levels, and once the 90 is taken out, I think it will be soon enough that the stock will actually hit that 3-digit mark and move above 100 odd level. So NLC can be bought with a stop loss below 78.
All right, Himanshu, thanks a lot for joining us and taking us through your quick technical check on the market. But with that, we're going to get into a short break now. When we come back, the management of Mahindra Holidays will be joining us. We'll talk about their quarterly numbers and how Q3 is shaping up as well.